Okay, so here's how you strip wire. You drill a hole in a piece of wood that's about the same size as your piece of wire with insulation. Then you take a utility knife here, clamp it so that the blade will cut into the insulation. So that's held by this clamp here. And then you feed through a piece of wire and you pull it through. And the knife will cut into the insulation because the tip is right here. And there you are. And so, after you've pulled the wire through, the insulation just comes right off because you've cut a slit into the insulation, like so. Or is it? Like so. And yeah, it comes off. So that's all, just a hole and a piece of wood to clamp the knife against, and pull the wire through, and that's it. Easy peasy.